Hey, hello guys. So now we're showing you like how we made the brackets for the belt conveyors and also for the scraper chains. For these scraper chains are used in our scraper conveyor and also our bucket elevators. And so you can see we have a two welding robot in here that do the weldings of these chains. Yep. So you can see these are ready-made chains that is made from our worker, and then this is how we ship the spare parts in a wooden box. And then if we take a look in here, so you can see these are the brackets that we did the weldings using the robot we just saw over there, the ABB robot, the welding machine. So you can see these brackets so these two are compressor parts with the bought outside, but then the welding of these onto these are done by ourselves, and then you can see, we do the weldings. You can check the welding qualities of it, and for high quality requirement, we can also do heat treatment of these. And then these are the scrapers. If you see, these are the scrapers that we use in the scraper conveyor. So yeah, these are some spare parts. Thank you.